We are not anti-migrants. Let's get that correct. That's not the subject here. What we're saying is, in order for our society to be a safe and healthy one, everyone needs to contribute. We need everyone to contribute in paying your taxes and everything. Persons having pay slips, it's showing that their taxes are being deducted, but when they go to the tax department, they are not known. Do you understand how unfair that is to someone? Do you understand how devastating that is to someone? Yes, to my learning as well, you should file your taxes, and I will continue to reiterate that on every platform I'm able to. File your taxes, because if your employer is doing you wrong, then that red flag will raise far beyond expectations. But we must come together as a community, collectively wanting the best for St. Martin. Too often, the onus is placed on government. Government isn't doing this. Government isn't doing that. And when government starts to do what is necessary, then you have criticism. Why are you doing this? And why? There are so many persons on this island who are either nationals or legally supposed to be here without employment. Yet someone can step off of a flight and be employed in a night. That's not fair. And that is where justice has to come into play. I commend the multidisciplinary team, and if you can see the enthusiasm of the officers of justice, immigration, customs, police, they are so enthusiastic to finally be executing the job they have been hired to do.